Now if you're a fan of the buttonhole stitch, sometimes you find a pattern where it changes colors partway through, or you just need to end your thread and start again. And this is how you do that. So you will make your buttonhole stitch, and then when you come to the end of that thread or where you need to change colors, we just do a short little stitch around the outer edge of our last line here. And then to start again, we come up on the inside of that line we ended on, pull our thread through, and then we just keep on going again. So we hold our thread towards that outer line here, go back down a little ways, gently tug so we have that open loop, and we come on up inside that loop where we want our top ridge to go, and again just gently tug so our loop becomes flush with the fabric. And then we could do that again. So go forward a little ways, gently tug with our loop, come on up there, and tug that down again. Now, to end this again, we do it the same way we did last time. So we're just going to do a short little stitch around that outer loop there. And pull that down nice and tight, like so. And that's how you change colors with the buttonhole stitch.